freaking bike. Look, I know I said I was the one doing like this and that, but she has to put something in it. You know what I'm saying? I wipe it down, I clean it, I do this, I do that, you know, this and that, this, that, this, that, this, that, that. Oh, how's it coming on?
It's hard labor.
Hard labor.
To make a bike beautiful.
Now you see what we gotta go through. So yeah. While she's removing that, for the new one to come on, her little pink ones. Yeah. Wasn't bad. That's the only ones I can find. There was no yellow. And then there's green. Yeah, see, she didn't want green. See? Yeah, that's why. Is there anything I should be doing on my bike? Air filter. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, you are the winner right now. Air filter. We're gonna have some stuff for that one too. We already have one thing for it. We have a uni filter for that dirt bike right there, the Suzuki, the DR100, and yeah, this is the uni filter for the Honda. So we're gonna install that. Process of everything is to wow, take everything off. Yeah. You know what? This will give me a chance to test out my hands-free equipment. I think this is strip right here. I had problems with it last time. And I told myself I wasn't going to take it back off. Halfway. Yeah. Well, probably ain't came out. I think it's stripped up. Ooh, I hope the drill's charged. There's so many bolts on this thing. Oh man. Suffering. It's got like